Let's make some sourdough starter. I'm going to show you step by step each day of what I do, and it will look like this. Lovely bubbly. 1 tablespoon of bread flour, 1 tablespoon of water, give it a mix. Add loose fitting lid to your jar and then leave it for 24 hours. Day 2, another tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of flour. Mix, and we're going to leave it again for 24 hours. Day 3, you can see there's some slight bubbling going on. That's good, she's starting to wake up. We're now going to add double the amount. So it's going to be 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of water and another mix. And again, we're going to leave it for 24 hours. Day 3, I did actually add an extra tablespoon of flour just because it was really runny. Day 4, we've got even more bubbling going on, which is great. And this time I'm going to weigh it. So there was about 100 grams of sourdough starter. To that, I'm going to add 100 grams of water, give that a mix, pop it back on the scales, and add 100 grams of flour. So we've got a ratio of 1:1:1. Again, give that a really good mix, and we'll transfer it to a slightly larger jar because this girl is growing up fast. On day 4, I do like to put a little marker of where the sourdough is, just so I can see if it's actually risen. Day 5, you can see overnight when I wasn't looking, it did rise a little bit and it's fallen back down. Still bubbly. So again, we're going to do a 1:1:1 ratio of equal parts sourdough to equal parts water and equal parts flour, and give it another mix. Why make your own sourdough starter? Because buying a starter online is like paying for a gold potato. And by the time it arrives, you could have made your own. Plus it's cheaper, more fun, and you feel like a wizard. I had my last starter for years, but unfortunately I nuked it in the oven because I forgot it was in there and switched it on. Day 6, we're just going to repeat the process with a ratio of 1:1:1. Day 6, you should see some magic happen today. So I'm just repeating the process, 1:1:1 ratio, and then I'm going to pull her to the side, mark the jar so I can see how far she's risen. There she is right now after feeding. Here she is 3 hours later. This is Molly. Welcome Molly to the world. She's the good white stuff. And here she is later, and now she's ready to bake with. Unfortunately, I'm not. So we'll bake tomorrow.